So my question is neuromarketing beneficial for both the consumer and the producer? And beneficial, I mean, would it make the producer money and is it safe for the consumer? So if we go here, this is my first article, and this is my inclusion criteria. Just proving that it's accurate, that you can see what the object was looking at. This is my second article, and it's important because it describes a functional MRI and what an EEG actually does to your brain. This is my third article, Understanding the Subconscious, and it showed that it does help sellers, which would be the producer, and it does have a correlation to the location of your brain. In my fourth article, it brings up a good point if people were trying to market for drug companies, that it wouldn't be beneficial for the consumer, only the producer. This might be an exclusive one, just talking about how it can't directly prove that marketing and the brain and neuroimaging necessarily all go together. Here in my sixth article, um, it's explaining again what an EEG is and how the brain waves move fast, and also how that relates to marketing and what we see. In this inclusion criteria, it's describing that both the public and the experts have little faith in neuroimaging for marketing, in a survey done for all of them. So I only put that line in there, but there is, I mean, this entire article is an experiment between the public and neuroscientists. Here, it's explaining that in Germany they did a test with the chocolate bar, and because people are already so fond of chocolate, the fMRIs really had no positive impact on the consumer or the producer because both were so aware of the product already. Here it is proven to work and be good, so it's inclusive. Let's see, we're down here. And it's saying that labels with 2 to 4 words were better than labels that have one noun or one adjective or two adjectives when selling, and they did that from neuromapping. This one is exclusive because the Chinese ethnic groups see different than the American ethnic groups, see different from Tibetan ethnic groups. So they're saying it depends on your culture what you want to be marketed to, and really has nothing to do with your brain, in which case would be not beneficial for both groups. Here, I don't know what my thing was, I'll tell you in a second. Sorry. All right, well, I lost my highlighted part, but I have them over here. So the primary assumption is regardless of an individual's brain, it views things consistently. So that wouldn't matter for culture and whatnot. And that one did come from here. I just can't remember where. So sorry. And in this one, I it's actually right here. Um, and this is just saying that it couldn't be more beneficial, but it does suggest effectiveness for advertising, but nothing was necessarily proved. And so here I have all my references in alphabetical order, double space, Times New Roman 12 font. And then these are all of my articles, and I'm running out of time on them. Got rid of one, sorry. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that.